Hello friend, now we learn the sheet metal part. Okay, so for select the new part and sheet metal. Okay, so this define a different tool. Only one tool is highlight. This one is a flat. Okay, so select this define a reference and define. Okay, front plane sketch. Now draw the one simple part. Okay, okay, now done. This define a thickness, enter a 1. Okay, this way we can done the thicken part. Okay, now we add a one part at this edge and at this edge. So for that select the flange. Select the flange wall, define a different thing. Okay, Miller cut means at the edges where we join the new wall, Miller cut is provided. If we want to provide a relief, band relief or corner relief, we can also provide with this help. We can also apply the band allowance. Okay, this define a shape, length and offset. So for first placement select one. Okay, select the one edge at which we can apply the first wall. Okay, if we want to apply this wall at the bottom, so select this upper edge. Okay, this define the angle. We can drag and pick up and drag it. Okay, okay, now we can drag this point at the inner side. Okay, now we apply the band relief at these two corner. So select the relief, define each separately. For a side one, these are the different type: rib, no relief, stretch. You can apply the dimension over here, angle and thickness. Okay, rectangle, band and thickness in a brown. We can select this relief. Okay, now thickness 1. Okay, at the side too same, we can apply the relief. Okay, now you can easily see the both the side apply the relief. Okay, you can modify this length with this point or double click on this point. Okay, now press OK. Now you can see this way. Okay, now we can apply the another wall at these edges. So select the flange or a flat. In a flat you can not rotate the 360 degree. In a flange you can rotate the wall 360 degree. Okay, so select the one edge, Okay, these two for a width, this one for a height, this for a rotation, degree rotation. Okay, okay. In the flange, in the same as a flange, you can also apply the relief, bend allowance, offset. Okay, then done. Now you can do different process. Extrude, you can hole at this wall and different shape with the help of this tool. This is the main basic of the sheet metal. Okay, thank you.